Okay, very good.
Thank you so much. We're not yet done. That was a warm-up game. Okay, warm-up at the here. Alright, so this time, it's a group game. Okay, that's it. So it's a group game. So you will be the one to choose your teammates. So you have to group yourselves into 8. 4 adult, 4 kid. Go. Go! Okay, 4 na mo? 4? Okay. So, magpretend ko nga ceremony pa ron. Wait lang. Okay, go. Can you please stay at the last line? You stay here at the back. Form a line also, just like them. Go! Okay, so are you ready for the next game? Are you sure that you're ready? Okay, hinay lang daw ka ngayon silang hospital. Okay, so this time everyone, the game is what we call the horseback riding game. Okay, horseback riding, so it means you need to horseback your kid. Go! Baba your kid. Baba yung mga hindi siya nagawin sa mga mo. Masipin ka namin nilata na yung bata mamaya na. Baba niya ba? Ay! Nabali mo tahi! Sige, baba! Baba! Ay! Sige! Ay! Ala! The teachers are going wild! Okay, kailangan pa kanina, mami? Dito na daw? Okay, sige. Hagdan mo. Okay, wait. I will need a pose. Okay, can you be the pose, Langga? You stand up lang here. Okay, ano diha? O, ikaw sa pose lang sa stand up sa dili. Ikaw lang pose na sa ka. Okay, dili ka. Okay. Alright, so listen up. The mechanic is very, very simple. Sa iyo na kay mechanic, all you have to do when the music stop, when the music play, or when I say go, first line, isa first line, second line, third line, fourth line. Okay, first line, may will go, you need to run, and then abot yun din sa layo, you need to jump 3 times. Okay? Then you need to go back to your line. Balik po sa linya ha. Second line, who is the second line? Ato sa layo. Second line, kisa may second line.
Ato, mama.
Okay, second line. Listen up, second line. You are going to do like this. Oink, 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 oink. Nakaganda. Oink, 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 oink. Ano, dali na kayo. Second line, ha? Second line. Third line. Listen up, third line. You are going to shout. Okay, like that. Okay. Fourth line. Listen up. Yes, okay. You're going to shake your body 3 times. Okay, after you shake your body, how? Listen up. After you shake your body, you need to get the balloon and burst it on the floor. Use your lubot, okay? You have to use your butt while bursting the balloon. Okay, di pwede kumunod ha? Okay, on the floor, good, on the floor. Okay, I have a balloon here. Okay, so wait. Okay, ready? No. Again, ha? First line, open yung button. Jump. Second line. Third line. Fourth line. Yeah. we're going to brace the balloon up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you please move backward? 2 step backward. 1. At kanina ka to start nila. This is the starting line, so you have to start here. Okay, ha. Sige. Ready? Ready? On your mark, set. Go! Go, 2, 3, dance! Shake your body, Titas! Si Mami mo nagtubol na putol. Alright, so we have our winners. Congratulations to Team Number 1! Alright, congratulations.
Okay.